Hi, it's Madam Khoo. I saw someone asking this question in Facebook, so I am going to show you a concept called common base in finding area of triangle. Before I start, I want to share with you this concept. It is about common base. Common base means that comparing triangles that has the same base. So if we compare triangles that has the same base, the ratio of their height will be the same as the ratio of their areas. Why is that so? Let me show you an example. If I have two triangles that has the same base, for example, this is a base. I'm going to call it B, and then I have one height is, and the height here is H, and this is 3H. Okay, so what happened is if I have the smaller triangle, the area will be half times base times height. And the taller, or I just call it bigger triangle, half times base times, it is now 3 times of the height. When half times base times height give you the area of a small triangle, half times base times height here will also give you the area of a small triangle, but it is 3 times the area of the small triangle. And this is true for all kind of comparison as long as the base is the same, no matter how much this height is with comparison to the original height, the area will be in the same ratio. With this concept, let's look at this question now. Let's take a look. The figure below is one of two identical triangles, triangle AGH and triangle BGH, drawn within square ABCD. EF is 2/5 of BC, so EF is here and BC is here. Okay, so later we'll take a look at this again. The area of the shaded parts is 36 square centimeter. Find the area of triangle AGH. Triangle AGH is here. Alright, so I'm looking at this AGH, and because I know this is a square, the height of these two triangles is the same. Then next, I know that they have common base. This is the base for all the triangle we are looking at here. We have AGH, we have BGH. We also have a small triangle. We're going to use this EGH here because we know the ratio of the heights of this with the triangle AGH. Using common base concepts, we're going to do this. So comparing height and area, remember they have same ratio because they have common base. So height for triangle AGH to triangle EGH is 5:2. Because of this fraction here, then I'll have area of triangle AGH is to area of triangle EGH will be 5:2. But what about this shaded part? This is another value we know. So this shaded part is the difference between triangle AGH and triangle EGH. And this difference is 3. Since 36 square centimeter refer to both of them, but I don't need to use this part now. And because these are two triangles, they are identical, and the overlapping part will also have the same area. So the parts that are not overlapping are also identical in area. So in that case, if I just want to find this area on one side, I'll just have to take 36 divided by 2, which I'll get is 18. That is the difference. So I know that 3u equals to 18 and 1u equals to 18 divided by 3, which is 6. So lastly, I'm going to find the area of triangle AGH. Triangle AGH is 5 unit. So 5u is 5 times 6, and I'll get 30. So the answer is 30 square centimeter. Alright, so that's how I will work on this question and find the answer using the common base concept.